How to enable penny stock trading on Fidelity. If you're interested in trading penny stocks on Fidelity, you'll be pleased to know that it's indeed possible. However, before you can start trading penny stocks on Fidelity's website, mobile app, or Active Trader Pro platform, you'll need to review and agree to the risks and disclosures associated with penny stock trading. This one-time process is essential for understanding the unique risks involved in this type of trading. To enable penny stock trading on your Fidelity account, log into your brokerage account, carefully review the agreement, and confirm your understanding of the risks involved. Once you've completed this step, your Fidelity account will be eligible for trading penny stocks. It's important to note that Fidelity typically does not charge commission fees on most securities trades, excluding those that are not DTC eligible. In such cases, a 50 foreign settlement fee per trade may apply. However, for Fidelity customers, U.S. equity trades are generally free of charge. Understanding the risks and costs associated with penny stock trading can help you make informed decisions while trading on Fidelity's platform. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.